If you want to start using Trading212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To sell a share in Trading212, assuming we already have a investment here in NVIDIA, just click it, and instead of this buy button, you will see here your investment details, and under that you will see a sell button and a buy more button. To sell that share, you'll just need to click the sell button and proceed to transaction, and that's how you sell a share in Trading212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.